Automechanika Istanbul is Turkey's leading international trade fair for the automotive industry. The Turkish automotive market requires good preparation and smooth entry conditions. If you would like to enter this rapidly growing market, or if you would like to expand your existing business in Turkey, Automechanika Istanbul is the right platform for you.
Welcome to ilikevents TV, your gateway to the world's top exhibitions and trade shows. Let's explore today's event.
Bringing the major players in the Turkish and European industries together, this fair has become a meeting point for Turkey as well as for the surrounding regions. Automechanika Istanbul is an event, and I like events.
Want to join this event? Check the link in the description for tickets, hotels, and booth services. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to stay updated with global events.